Stunning visuals of Earth from space draw your attention. Yet, a network of tracking dots emerges, representing numerous satellites. Welcome to the new space era. This period shifts the focus of space from government projects to a booming $600 billion commercial enterprise. Low Earth orbit, or LEO, is humanity's most prized territory. However, it resembles a chaotic Wild West. By 2026, more than 14,000 satellites will circle the Earth, with predictions for millions more. This sprawling, cluttered sky gives rise to a syndrome termed shifting baseline syndrome. We have adapted to a sky ablaze with artificial lights. However, this adaptation may lead us toward disaster. Here, we investigate the tragedy of the commons. Each satellite operator pursues personal interests, resulting in a collective emergency. Orbital layers face critical congestion. With Kessler Syndrome, one collision breaks into fragments. These fragments instigate further collisions, jeopardizing access to space indefinitely. Statistics from the 2026 ESA Environment Report are alarming. It indicates that 140 million objects, ranging from 1 mm to 1 centimeter, travel at hypervelocity like bullets. Beyond safety, we must consider the human and environmental toll. Light pollution is increasing. Astronomers express concern about how the loss of dark skies affects indigenous narratives and scientific discovery. As countless satellites re-enter, they release metals into the stratosphere, endangering our ozone layer. Geopolitically, space transcends technology. It represents national sovereignty. Countries rely on space for GPS services and weather predictions. If we overcrowd orbit, Earth could suffer immediate repercussions. How do we navigate our way forward? An essential solution lies in space traffic management, STM. Presently, there's no equivalent of air traffic controls for space. Implementing this is crucial for minimizing chaos. Technological advancements offer us hope. Initiatives like Clean Space aim for active debris removal and in-space servicing. We need zero debris design standards, as highlighted in the ESA's 2026 guidelines. Policy and governance will determine our course. The outcomes of the 2026 Space Debris Conference emphasize global collaboration. We must establish cosmic development goals for sustainable space exploration. Space is a shared domain. Can we learn from our mistakes on Earth? Join us in prioritizing the safety and preservation of our common cosmic frontier. The decision is ours. Will we repeat our past or forge a sustainable future in the universe? Entranced by the stars, we often overlook the invisible struggle for this invaluable resource. In an age of rapid technological progress, the duty of stewardship heavily rests on us. Each satellite launch adds to the intricacies of our congested space environment. As entrepreneurs and nations race to realize their cosmic ventures, the urgency for stewardship regulations becomes increasingly pressing. Every new satellite brings promises of connectivity, data, or exploration, yet contributes to the looming chaos in low Earth orbit. The aspirations of corporations and governments collide in an area not built for such a density. As we gaze at the night sky, we must question if we are ready for the unforeseen consequences of our relentless pursuit of progress. Each launch disturbs the balance once enjoyed, pushing us closer to a catastrophic dilemma. The stakes are elevated as we delve deeper into new space, where excitement and responsibility converge. Solutions require immediate focus. Space traffic management is essential in establishing guidelines for orbital movements. Without a structured framework, we risk descending into collisions that threaten both our satellites and future exploration paths. Innovative technologies and global regulations must work together, providing a protective barrier amid chaos. Embracing these advancements presents a critical opportunity. Will we unite to safeguard our shared cosmic heritage, or will our individual ambitions dominate this vast starry expanse? Amid this urgency, the global dialogue is evolving. Leaders from various nations are recognizing the necessity for a cooperative effort that transcends borders. Delegates at the forthcoming conference will explore strategies for collaborative debris management and traffic oversight. The notion of space as a communal area is crucial, urging participants to prioritize unity over competition. As scientists, policymakers, and private sector leaders come together, their creativity will be put to the test. Will they design a path that protects our celestial neighborhood for generations? Only through shared vision and actionable policies can we develop a systematic approach to the rising challenges ahead. The delegates at the conference sit with bated breath, adjusting their notes as the opening address commences. A prominent voice resonates within the room, highlighting the mission's urgency. The future of our space environment lies in our hands. We must commit to unprecedented levels of international collaboration. Only concerted actions can prevent the chaos of LEO from resulting in irreversible damage. Attendees nod in agreement, acutely aware that their decisions will shape the cosmos for future generations. In this defining moment, they grasp the heavy weight of their responsibility as guardians of the universe, a duty that must not be overlooked. A delegate stands, adjusting their glasses, and earnestly declares, "We stand at a crossroads. Our duty goes beyond exploration. We must safeguard our shared frontier to ensure our innovations promote sustainability." As the gravity of their discussion fills the air, a palpable urgency takes hold. The room resonates not merely with words, but with the collective futures of countless lives. Together, they must forge a legacy that balances exploration with preservation. The cosmos is not solely a playground, it is a shared home that awaits their stewardship.